Hello, my name is Sage Pavlak, and I am an accounting major at the University of South Florida. I am a junior, and this is my Tableau number 2 project. So first, we're going to jump in and look at the data source section of the Tableau file, and we'll go over here to zip code, and actually, no, not zip code, sales date. And you can see I organized these, I put them in order from oldest orders to all the way down to the newer ones. I think that's a little helpful in just kind of understanding the data a little bit more. So now we'll go to Visual 1, and this one is labeled Most Profitable Items to Sell. And I think this is important because it really shows, if you look at clarinets, it is way more profitable than cellos or violins. And that's important in understanding your market and what you're actually selling. We'll move on to Visual 2, which is sales in each region. So this would be your central, east, south, and west. And it kind of shows you just like where all the sales are actually happening and what states are bigger and more profitable in selling products. And you'll go down and you'll kind of see that California is getting most of the sales, and that's really where we're selling all of our products. Not all of them, but just like a good majority that should be kept an eye on. So this is actually going to show us the zip codes in comparison to the profit ratios, which is kind of saying what specific zip codes are making us the most money. So you kind of go through here, and it goes up and down, but you can look at, just kind of see where exactly are we having the best sales. And there are bigger ones, and there are very small ones, but so if you look right here, we're having a lot better than most of all these. And that kind of just helps you understand, again, what is going on and where are we selling these products. Number 4 is going to be each individual city in which these products are selling. So if you kind of zoom out a little bit, you'll look around and you can see we're having a lot of sales in Florida and then California. Some just jumping around over here. They're a little bit everywhere, but we're having a lot of sales in California and Florida, which if you look at the cities, it kind of makes sense. You have Santa Barbara, Morgan Hill, more money in these places, so we're obviously going to be selling more products. As well as Florida, you're looking at Fort Lauderdale, I guess Kissimmee, Daytona, opposed to places like Wyoming where you're probably not going to sell nearly as much, which is kind of important in just understanding how your market works. Here's our dashboard. So this is kind of just showing us the same thing and kind of giving us a better view at what's going on with these units being sold in all these different places. Finally, we'll go to story, which is just kind of a brief explanation of what's going on in each one of these. So like for my story 1, and this is an easy way to view what items contain the most profit. We can move to story 2, which would be, this is a visual of regions and sales inside of those regions. Story 3, this data is useful in showing what zip codes are most profitable and which is important in marketing, which, yeah, that is very true. And then our last one, which would be, this data is similar to Visual 2, but it goes more in depth to show what particular state and place in those states, city in those states, have the best chance of selling or actually are selling the most, which is, again, important, just knowing where you are selling your product, because that's kind of the name of the game, you know? So that's kind of my Tableau project. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.